to get you as a client. You need a straight shooter. I'm attorney Jim Desmond, and the number on your screen is my cell phone. So stop the nonsense and call me today for direct, immediate legal advice.
If you saw Pamela Snyder's before and after picture in the last segment, then you are interested in how to become a member. Give them the details, Lisa.
$99. I mean, a VIP assessment, normally it's $395. You're going to get 2 visits. You'll get some lab work. Now, let's be clear. We are not a lab company. You will use your insurance, or you can use the private pay option for lab work. I want to make that clear. I think we had some mix-up. You're going to get a physical, your body mass index, your blood pressure, you know, everything that goes along with that. The first 20 callers will get a free B12 shot for a year. And again, it's very comprehensive. For just $99, you don't guess your levels. You will know your levels. You will understand your levels. You will understand where your levels need to be to get you healthier if you're not healthy, and to get you, well, if you're not healthy, you obviously want to be healthier. If you think you're healthy, you probably will be surprised at what we're going to have to tell you. So again, if you've got weight to lose, if you've got health issues, we can help. If you don't, and you're over 35, for $99, it is definitely worth the trip and the time that we spend with you.
Yeah, and all of this information is critical and vital, but you're going to have some fun tomorrow, too. It'll be informative. But this Facebook Live event that you're doing, yeah, tell me about this. I know you're pumped up about it because your husband, Ted, is going to come on with you, too, right? Yeah,
it's only taken me 10 years to get Ted to come on TV with me, but tomorrow he's going to, from noon to 1, we're going to do a Facebook Live show. You can obviously go back and watch it. We're going to give away lots of fun stuff. 3-month membership, a microneedling treatment that includes a post-care treatment kit, B12 shots for a year. I'm doing Botox on a special person that you probably already know, but you have to tune in. To be eligible, you need to like our Facebook page at 25 Again Medical, our Instagram page, 25 Again Medical, My Healthy RN page on Instagram. But again, noon to 1 tomorrow. We're going to have lots of fun. We're going to talk about couples things. You know, Ted and I, we've started this business 10 years. We've been in business for 10 years. And finally, I'm going to get him to come on live. It's going to be lots of fun. I'm going to have lots of fun with you, Ted.
So do you have a couple of gallons of Botox for me? Do you think you can handle it? I mean,
I don't think you need gallons, but yes, Botox is lose 10 years in 10 minutes, and trust me, it works.
You'd have to take some clay and a knife and put it in some of these wrinkles. No, but you are a skin expert. Let's talk a little bit about this. Skin by Lisa, you have a program. Is that included with the membership? How does that work?
It's actually not included with the membership, but you do get discounts. So I'm becoming an expert. Thank you for calling me that. But I took COVID and I started to learn about skin, because everybody thought with Botox I knew all about skin, when really that's injecting into a muscle. So I'm learning all about the skin. I'm learning how to make you look even younger on the outside when you're feeling it on the inside. The showing is the post-treatment kit, the one serum, which has the snail growth factor and the 24-karat gold in it. There's a mask that we can use after microneedling. Your face gets really red. It takes out the inflammation, takes out that redness immediately. There really is no downtime. You might peel a little bit, but we have a tinted moisturizer that we use. We're having a special right now. 3 treatments for $9.99. Buy one area, get one free. That includes the post-care treatment kit. The treatments are done about 4 weeks apart. Just because Derby and summer's coming up, don't shy away. You know, you can be in the sun. You want to definitely wear a hat and use some sunscreen right after the treatment, but we can go over all of that in office. And again, you know, once you're feeling better on the inside, you want to feel good on the outside, or we can do both at the same time.
I think one thing has become really evident here is 25 Again has evolved, and it's becoming more patient-friendly. It does more. It's much more comprehensive. But if we can we throw up that picture again before and after of Pamela? Because, and only because the emphasis right now is probably people have been, you know, stuck inside because of the pandemic, and they want to lose weight. And losing weight can help lead to other positive effects of your health.
I mean, if health isn't something that's on your mind right now, I don't know when it would be. And you don't want to get caught in something like this again. Heaven forbid we have to go through something like this again. But the healthier are obviously the ones that are doing better. I walked in the other day and a member said to me, you know, me and my friends got COVID obviously at the same time, and I had less symptoms than anyone else. Well, you know, he felt like it was because of 25 again. He told me that with the supplements, with everything that he's doing to take care of himself. A lot of his friends and family got more sick than he did with the COVID. So he really did. He said, I give credit to 25 again. And again, if you're not thinking about health, you should be. Don't guess if you're healthy or not. We've had plenty of members walk through that door thinking that they were healthy. They have diabetes, or they have Hashimoto's, or their cholesterol was high, or their blood pressure was high, or other things. We're catching these things, but we're turning them around too. So again, don't just guess. Don't think, oh, my doctor said my levels were fine. They might be normal for your age. They may not be healthy. They may not be preventing the diseases that you can, the age-related diseases that you can prevent in the future. And for just $99, I mean, I can't imagine not wanting to spend that time with us and going over that and learning more about your health. And if you become a member, you're going to learn even more. So this $99 assessment gets you 2 visits. You're going to first get lab work. It takes about a week to get that back. Please keep in mind, labs are billed separately. We are not a lab company. You can do private pay or through your insurance. You'll get a physical. You'll get talked to for an hour, 2 hours, maybe longer than you want. The first 20 callers will get a free B12 shots for a year. You don't even have to become a member to get that. Again, $99. I mean, what do you have to lose other than some weight and getting healthier? Look at Pam's story. That could be you.
Yep, and gain some energy as well. 25 again. All right, coming up here after the break, Dawn G will join us, and we'll talk about what's happening at 2 o'clock Wave Country with Dawn G.
Attention Medicare beneficiaries. If you have or are eligible for Medicaid, please listen closely.